My vlog. What's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Hoagie, and this is my hauler.
Hey, what's up, guys? Tonight we are going to be putting some Go Fast bits on the Mk6. What are we doing?
It's not Goes Fast Bit. That's a brand of things.
Go Fast Bits is a brand
From Australia. Putting a downpipe on the car.
What
Putting
is
a Catless Downpipe on my car.
Catless Downpipe. He heard my car and
Finally.
he was like, it's loud, and now I want to be. No, he bought his before me. It's cold again.
Kinda.
It's April, so
It's cold.
we're in Dad's garage.
You should be bitching the most about this.
Yeah, you're from where it was warmer.
This intake is nice.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah, tell me something I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Hey Vinny, tell me something that I already don't know. What?
You're just admiring my carbon
Cool, thanks,
fiber.
yeah. Thanks for helping me put it in.
Yeah, my hood's got carbon fiber underneath of it.
Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, dude. Oh shit, dude. What was that?
The back was up. I didn't realize. Holy shit.
I thought, you know what's funny? I was leaning on it and I was like, I really have gained weight. Jesus. I was like, where's the air coming from? And I leaned, and the second I put pressure, the car fell, and I
He
was
was
like,
jacking it down at the same exact time.
dude,
Sorry.
oh my god. I think it's
Dad pooped on himself.
dude, not good,
So are
man.
you gonna put a jack or a
Is the
jack?
jack thing in the proper spot? Is on your subframe?
Yeah. That's working.
Holy shit, did that not scare the fuck out of me?
Yeah.
Oh
Sorry.
my. It's hard to, hey man. I'm just glad I didn't do it. Oh, did you notice this?
What?
The Volkswagen thing in there? Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, they got fancy with it. They were like, oh, let's just,
They were like, hey, we're gonna charge you 35 grand for a fucking front wheel drive car. We're at least gonna show you some details before we stick it in you.
So.
So how are you cleaning your windows? You look a little low on wiper fluid. So on tonight's video, we're gonna be filling up this reservoir with water.
Wait,
just kidding, we're gonna put Kool-Aid in it, and then he's gonna be super pissed when his whole car's sticky.
Oh yeah, here comes Kool-Aid, here comes Kool-Aid, I'm gonna save the day.
Are you gonna call AAA while you're under there?
Yeah. Well, it's so hot under here.
Do you guys have AAA? Yeah.
I don't.
Well, I locked my keys in the car the other day. AAA came to my work and got me out of my car in like 6 minutes.
I have XXX, the straight edge.
You probably need a new crush washer, to be honest.
That's what I was thinking.
Probably not a huge deal, you just snug it up a little bit. But if it keeps leaking, if it's just leaking like a couple drips, like just keep an eye on the oil levels like you already do.
Yeah.
And then just get a new, next time you do an oil change, just replace the crush washer. Because there's no sense in like, if you take that bolt out, you're gonna drain your oil.
Yeah.
So just snug it up and then get a new crush washer.
Alright, we're gonna let the car cool down, and in the meantime, we're gonna get some pizza.
Take Dad's car.
Take Dad's taking us to get pizza!
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly.
What are you doing?
Putting peanut butter on my engine.
Alright, so right now Brian is putting
PB Blaster.
PB Blaster, aka peanut butter, on his on some bolts.
On my eyes.
So that way when we come back from getting pizza
With Dad.
we could just loosen these bad boys right off. Alright, we're back at the garage now, and Brian is starting to get some of the bolts off. So it's going to be a little bit of a process, but they'll come off. Just take some time. Dad's out here helping us again, because us kids, You know, we can't.
Loosen some goddamn bolts. If this were my car, I'd fucking break these bolts off. And then I'd have to take my entire... So here's... If those bolts break... The turbo's gotta come off. Pretty much. It's not like you would kill it. You could put new studs in.
Try number 2. Didn't work. The bolts are just on too tight. So we're going to take it to Joel's and have them do it later this week. Brian tried. And then Dad came out and tried.
Yep, the bolts are fucking tight. I'm afraid we're going to snap the turbo stud bolts. I think we've saturated it enough with like penetrating lube, but like a good air tool should be able to zip these bolts off. The angle I have to get at it, I'm worried that I'm just going to snap the stud, and that would suck. I'll kind of shine the light under here. So you could see like a ratcheting wrench could work, but the amount of rust on the bolt and some of the positioning like behind, like there's some up there, I think it would just be a risk just because we don't have the proper tools to get this off. If the car were brand new or something and no rust, maybe, but I think these bolts are under such high heat that they rust pretty quick after the car is driven.
Brian's going to go to a shop later this week, and we'll just film the rest of that then when we're able to go. But at least we tried. We actually, fully tried instead of just going, man, we don't have the right size wrench like we did last time. So hopefully the next few clips are some successful clips. Alright, it's a few days later from the last clip, and we finally are going to pick up the Mk6. We ended up bringing it to a shop, right?
Yeah.
So,
Couldn't do it.
couldn't do it. We needed air tools to do it. So we brought it to CK Auto Image, which has helped us out a bunch with my car in the past, Alyssa's car. Yeah, they do good work over there, so they were able to put the Catless Downpipe on for us, and now we're gonna go pick it up.
Hey, it's cool. I'll take it.
Alright, thanks to CK Auto Image.
Sick.
I smoked a little bit just from
The new pipe.
Yeah.
Can I get my old downpipe?
It's in the back, alright.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, it's wrapped up in place.
I didn't think it would fit. Oh,
Yeah,
seats down. Gotcha. Cool. Into it. Thank you, man. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Shit, it sounds so good. Oh, dang. I think his car might be louder than mine now. But it's not Cam, so screw you, Brian. Now he's just ripping it around this parking lot. He's gonna end up hitting someone. So you'll be hearing a lot more of this in future videos. How do you like it?
I hope it breaks in a little more. Thanks to Vinny for trying to help, putting in a lot of effort, and then thanks to CK for having nice tools.
Yeah, so it's in. It sounds great. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.